dear alumnus and friends. This is Abhijit Chattoraj, Dean Student Welfare and Support System at BIMTECH. This gives me immense pleasure to invite you all for Reflection 22. It's time for everyone to recollect, reminiscence, and forge friendship once again, because this is a platform. It gives you an opportunity to meet here, to rekindle old memories, and with the hope that this year's event will be a major event. It will be a great opportunity for you all to reassemble and make the program a big success. This year's topic is celebrating India's diversity under the auspices of Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. As you know, we are celebrating 75 years of independence. So once again, on behalf of entire BIMTECH fraternity, I cordially invite you all to make this event a memorable one in days to come. Thank you so much.